this video, I will show you how to crochet iPhone pocket. Create a slip knot and then crochet a chain. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4. Now we get the chain 102 and then we will crochet the first row, crochet a slip stitch in the second chain from hook, and then yarn over, insert, grab the loop, and then pull all 3 loops. This is half double crochet, and then crochet a slip stitch. We will keep repeating this process, half double crochet, and then a slip stitch. Keep continuing until the end of the row. Now we get the end of the row and then turn the work, crochet the row 2, chain 1, and then crochet a slip stitch. This one we crochet at the back loop, and then next half double crochet in the back loop, a slip stitch in the back loop, half double crochet, and a slip stitch in the back loop, half double crochet. Keep continuing until the end. This is the result. For the row 3, turn the work, chain 1, and then a slip stitch in the first stitch, and half double crochet. Keep repeating until the end. This process we keep repeating from the row 2 process. For the row 10, we will leave some space, so we crochet 41 stitches and then chain 51. Next, we will crochet the rest. Begin with a slip stitch. Is quite a little bit tricky. We will crochet at the back loop behind the chain. It's quite small, so we need yarn needle to help pull it out. So insert in the back behind the chain. And make sure to crochet all 51 stitches. For this one, we should count how many stitches we crochet. For this one, I count the stripe. I count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the next one should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then fold in half. And we will crochet the side to assemble. For this one, we will insert from another side, grab the loop, and then pull through. Make sure it's on the first stitch, and then insert in the back loop. Yarn over, pull all through. And now we will need to move the loop to another stitch. Insert in the back loop, yarn over, pull all through, and then move the loop to another stitch. Back loop, and then move the loop to another loop. Keep continuing.